Hi, in previous lecture I discussed how to design PDA for these three languages. First language was A power m, B power n, m equal to n. Second language was m greater than equal to n. Third language was m less than equal to n. Also I discussed how to write transition function for the first language. You can write transition function for rest of the language. Let's design some more PDA for some more context-free language. Language 4 A power m, B power n, m n greater than equal to 1, 2m equal to n. So in place of n, if you substitute 2m, then number of b will be 2 times the number of a. Or you can simply write as a power n, b power 2n, n greater than equal to 1. So which string it will accept? It will accept a, b, b, then 2a followed by 4b, 3a followed by 6b. First idea is for A you can push 2A and for B you can pop 1B. Let's take 2A and 4B. For first A you can push 2A, for second A you can push 2A, then for first B you can pop 1A, for second B you can pop 1A, for third B you can pop 1A, then for fourth B you can pop 1A. So this is just one idea. By using this, let's design a PDA. There will be initial state. For A, if topmost symbol is Z0, we'll push 2A. Now for this A, we'll push 2A. Now topmost symbol is A. So for input alphabet A, if topmost symbol is A, we'll push another 2A. Now just push 2A for this A. Then this is a loop. So for this A also, we will push 2A. Now it will see B. Whenever it will see B, just pop 1A. So by B, it will pop 1A. B tends to epsilon. For first B, pop 1A. Then there are more B. For that, you just write in self loop. For B, A will be pop. For next B, will pop another A. For next B, will pop another A. For next B, will pop another A. Pop another A. Pop another A. Now all A are popped for all B. Next, there is just Z0 and lastly there is epsilon. By epsilon, we go to final state by skipping Z0. This is a final state mechanism. Now this is the PDA for this language. We just push 2A for input alphabet A and for B we just pop 1A. You can design in another way also. Like for A, you will push 1A. For this A, you will push 1A. Then for first B, you will skip. You will not do anything. Then for next B, you will pop 1A. Then for next B, you will skip. Next B, you will pop 1A. This way also you can design. For 1B, we are skipping. For rest B, we are popping. Let's design the PDA by using this idea. There will be one initial state and for A, we'll just push 1A. So A, Z0 tends to A, Z0. Then when top of the stack is A, we'll push also A. So A tends to AA. For B, we'll skip. Now top of the stack is A. So we'll go to another state by skipping A. Now for first B, we just skip A and we reach to another state. Next from this state, by another B, it will pop 1A. So go to another state by popping 1A. For B, A will be popped. So just pop B. Then for next B, it will skip. So make a transition like this. For B, A tends to A means it will skip. Then for next B, it will pop. Now it will run this. So it will pop. B tends to epsilon. Next is epsilon. By epsilon, it will skip Z0 and it will go to final state. We designed two PDA for the same language. Here we use one technique, like for every A we push 2A and for every B we just pop 1A. Here for every A we just push 1A. For first B we skip. For second B we pop. Next language A power m, B power n, mn greater than equal to 1, m equal to 2n. Or you can write A power 2n, B power n, n greater than equal to 1. Here number of A is 2 times the number of B. Which string it will accept? It will accept 2AB, then 4A, 2B, 6A, 3B, like this. I am just using this technique. So for 1A, I will skip. For 1A, I will push. And for B, I will pop 1A. Let's design the PDF for this. I am using a string 4A, 2B. Now for first A, it will push. Just push one A. If top of the stack is Z0, it will push. Then for second A, it will skip. So by A, it will just skip A. It will not push anything. It is just skipping. Then for third A, it will push. So for A tends to A means it will push another A above A. For fourth A, it will skip. Now it will skip. Now it will see B, all A is done, it will see B. So when it will see B, it will simply pop 1A. By B, it will pop 1A, just pop it. Then there may be more B, for that make a self loop of B. For B, it will pop 1A. Now there is a epsilon and top of the stack is Z0. So it will go to final state by skipping Z0. Now this is the PDA for A power 2n, B power n greater than equal to 1. Next language A power n, B, C power n greater than equal to 0. So greater than equal to 0 means this can be epsilon, this can be epsilon, it can accept minimum 1b. Then it can accept A, B, C, it can accept 2A, B, 2C. Number of A should be equal to number of C. Let's design a PDF for this. It will accept single B. For that, it will go to another state by just skipping Z0, and from this state it can goes to final state. Then it will accept any number of A followed by B and equal number of C. Let me take a string like 3A, B, 3C. Now for A, it will push, for B, it will skip, and for C, it will pop. Now here we will make a self loop. So by A, when top of the stack is Z0, it will push. For next A, when top of the stack is A, it will again push. So A tends to A. It is a self loop, so for this A also it will push. For input string B, now top of the stack is A. So here you will write B, A tends to A. This is a skip. When input symbol is B and top of the stack is A, it will skip A and go to another state. This is just for accepting B, single B. This is when it is accepting any number of A followed by B. So for C, A will be pop. C, A tends to epsilon. For first C, A will be pop. Then for next C, A will be pop. Then for next C, A will be pop. And finally, there is epsilon and top of the stack is Z0. So it goes to final state by skipping Z0. Now this is the PDA for this language. It will accept single B. Then it will accept equal number of A followed by B with equal number of C. Next language A power m, B power n, C power n greater than equal to 1. So number of A should be equal to number of C, and in between there can be any number of B. Which string it will accept? It will accept A, B, C, then 2A, 3B, 2C. Number of A should be equal to number of C. Then 3A, 2B, 3C, like this. Let's design the PDF for this. I am considering a string 2A, 3B, 2C. For A will push, for B will skip, for C will pop. Now from initial state, for input alphabet A, if top of the stack is Z0, it will push. So A, Z0 tends to A, Z0. Then for next A, if top of the stack is A, it will push. So A tends to A. Then for B, it will skip. So for B, it goes to another state by skipping A. Then for rest of the B, it will skip. So make a self loop here. B, A tends to A. Now for this B, this B, this B, it will just skip. Next C, for C, it will pop A. So it go to another state by popping A. C, A tends to epsilon means it will pop A. So for first C, it will pop A. Then for next C, it will pop A. There are more C, that's why we'll make a self loop and we'll write C A tends to epsilon. So how many C? It will pop A. Now string is done. Lastly there is epsilon and topmost tag symbol is Z0. Now for epsilon I'll go to final state by skipping Z0. Now this is the PDA for A power M, B power N, C power M. Equal number of A followed by any number of B followed by equal number of C. For A we push, for B we skip, for C we pop. So before designing the PDA, first you need to think how we'll use this tag. For which input alphabet you will push, for which input alphabet you will pop. If you can think that, you can easily design the PDA. In next lecture, I will design some more PDA. If you have any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.